How to hide apps on your iPhone 8 Plus without deleting them. First, find the app you want to hide on your home screen. For example, I am hiding Instagram app. You can hide any app that you like. Now, tap and hold the app icon until the menu appears. Depending on your iOS version, tap Remove App. Then choose Remove from Home Screen. The app will disappear from your home screen, but it won't be deleted from your iPhone. You can still find the app by swiping left through your home screen pages, then search for the app by name. If you want to make an app even less visible, you can also move it into a folder. Tap and hold an app, drag it onto another app, and a folder will be created. That's how you can hide apps on an iPhone 8 Plus without actually deleting them from your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.